Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I am sending out in another swap. Now, this is part of the Bits and Bobs collaboration swap. So each pair of us is going to post another one. I don't know if it's every day or every week. All the details will be down below. But we're all going to be posting a video of what we sent or received. I don't know which one's going out first, but this is what I am sending, and my partner is Mommy and Me Crafts. So her name is Patty, and you guys can find her on Instagram and on YouTube. So I will have her information linked down below, and I'm gonna have all the other girls that participated in this collaboration swap down below as well. So let's get started into the video on what we were supposed to be sending. So the idea of this is to do, it's called a Bits and Bobs swap, and the idea was to send our like 6 favorite things, whether they're charms or some kind of embellishments that we love. It could be trims, it could be just a whole bunch of, stuff, like little bits and pieces. So for that, I actually created a vending machine. You guys may have seen this before in one of my YouTube live videos where I put this together, but I am now gifting it in this swap. So this is the vending machine I created with the Chasing Dreams paper. I have my little logo on the back here, and we had decorated this in a live. And I'm going to show you guys what's included, and you guys can see little bits and pieces. Here I also put like a little pull out piece so I could easier, so I could pull this out easier. Did I just kill the top? I hope I didn't. So I'm going to pull this out and show you guys what I have in here. So I am sending to Patty a whole bunch of eyelets. So I have these heart ones, which you guys are going to see I used in a project. These heart ones. I have these ones that are flowers in different colors that she could use. And then just these circular ones that she could use as well. I have a lot of eyelets and I love using them all the time, especially all these fun shaped ones. So I thought I would send her some of those in the Bits and Bobs swap. So that's one thing. Another thing I'm sending her are these puffy hearts. I love these so much, so I have so many of these. I think they're so fun to add to projects and everything, so I'm gifting her a whole bunch of those. Then here I have my glittered rolled flowers. You guys know I love these so much. This one looks like it got a little squished. Maybe I'm not going to include that one. But there's the other ones. There we go. And this is like deep also. Like this is very deep. So there's a ton of flowers in there. Then in here I have so many tassels. Look at this, guys. Look at all these tassels, and it goes on and on. And I had to add like some crinkle down there because I was like, oh my god, this is so deep. Like I still got more tassels in here. So I am gifting her some tassels. I think she'll like them. I got lots and lots of pink tassels because I've been, buying everything pink lately. Literally. So she got a whole bunch of tassels there. Then here, oops, that was supposed to go in there. Squish him down. Okay, so then in here I have my bows that I've been loving creating. So I have these, and I have them each in a different color for her. So those fit in there. Then here I have a whole bunch of wire wrapped beads that I wire wrapped for Patty. And I love adding these to projects as well. They're so fun. If you guys haven't started wire wrapping yet, like what are you waiting for? For real. So that's in there. And here I have a whole bunch of like resin charms. So here I have little Instagram cameras, and they have a cute little heart. I have these little Starbucks coffee cups. Then I have some bows and some little rose thingies, like little rose pieces. Look how pretty these are. So I'm sharing some of these with her, and I love using these as well. So, it's a Bits and Bobs, and it's like you're supposed to be sending like your favorite things. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, and then here I am just sending her some Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats so much. So some Kit Kats, some of these puffy things. I think they're so pretty. Like this one has little stars in it, and this one has little stars, but it's a heart shape. And then I created this ice cream cone with all the dangles, and it's also a charm. So it has a little lobster clasp, and she could hang it onto a project, and it has like that gold drip kind of to look like ice cream is dripping. And I created that, so I'm putting that in here for her. I think that's so cute. So that just lives in here, and that is what I'm including for, I guess, the bits and bobs swap. Everything else is just extras that I'm also sending her, but I'm going to show you guys all of that. So let me put this back inside, and it just slides right back in. Just like that, and it looks super cute. Let me just close this. And that she could also like stand up like this because it has little feet at the bottom, so it does stand up on its own, but I'm gonna lay it down just to have it in the view of the video. And then I also created this pizza box for her. My first time playing with this die. So I just, you know, did like a basic pink paper, and then I layered it with a pattern paper, also from the Chasing Dreams collection. Here we have a little rose gold heart and a rose gold and vanilla ice cream, and then it says smile. And I have some tulle on here, and I stitched it. And then inside of here, and you guys see I layered it with some lace around there. And inside of here I have some of my favorite butterfly embellishments, and they got 3 layers each. So there's just a few in here. I love this butterfly die. It's from Momenta, but I love gifting it because you guys know I don't love using butterflies in my own projects, but I do like including them in swaps. Then in here I created this pillow box. This is also my first time playing with this die. I'm just trying to play with dies that I have in my stash that I haven't played with yet. And here I included a little charm. So here's that little pink eyelet that I showed you guys that I'm gifting her. Here I have one of my charms that I created, and it says Inspire. So I have these available in my Etsy shop. They come in a set of 8. Then I have the wire wrapped bead that I made. And then there's this tassel that I won in Ada from the Paper Treasury, one of her giveaways on one of her YouTube live videos. So I put that on here because it's super cute. And then I have this bow here that was gifted to me from Kayla, from KarolinasKrafts 830. And yeah, I created this pillow box, and then this is like a wooden piece, and I just put Nuvo drops on top of it. And I decorated the little pillow box. And then inside of here, let me show you guys what's in here. So I have a couple of goodies in here, and these are hot air balloon embellishments, and they look like this. Look how cute. Right? Aren't they so fun? I love how they look. And these little flowers were gifted to me from Solo Crafts. Her name is Denise. And look at this one with a diamond dust. And I just made these little shakers. First time playing with this die as well, but this one is a newer one that I have now in my stash. So those just fit into my little pillow box here. So let me put those back into here. So they have a nice little home. Super fun, and I like this cute little pillow box. I've never played with it before. I don't know why, but this is the time to be playing with all my stash, you know. So those are some things I'm gifting her. Then I also made this for her. So I made these cute little bows. These are like one of my favorite bow embellishments. I always make them for other people and never for myself. And I wish I would just take some time to make them for myself because they're like my favorite. I love these bows so much. They have like the gold outline. Look at them. So I double cut all of these. One time with the pattern paper, one time with the gold. And then I cut the pattern paper, like the outside piece. I have a video tutorial on my channel somewhere too. So I will have a link to that down below. But they're just the cutest bows ever. And for these, I just used some scraps that I had in my stash. Because you can never have too many bow options and colors. So yeah, that's just this cute little box of bows that I'm sending her. Then I'm gifting her a couple of things. So I have this wood chip thing that she could cover up with Nuvo drops, or she could just paint over. So I have this for her, just little wood pieces as a gift. I made these stickers for her. I saw that she had a new logo. So I made this for her, and I wrote handmade by Patty, and then her Instagram, Mommy and Me Crafts, and I added like a little thing from Carousel. It's like one of their floral pieces. And I love it. So I just made some stickers for her that she could put on her projects. Then I'm gifting her the stamp set, because who doesn't love mermaids and seahorses and all these sea creatures? And isn't this going to be so cute if she like stamps it and then colors it in? So I'm gifting that to her. Then I have a couple of more gifts. Some goodies from my shop I'm sending her. So I'm sending her this tassel charm. People have been loving these, and I thought I would send one off to her. So in case you guys are interested, these are in my shop, but they're so pretty. I love these so much. And then I'm also sending her some of the charms that you guys saw I used before on this little bag right here, this little charm that says Inspire. This is what the set looks like in my shop. And like I said, it comes in a set of 8. So I'm sending this to her so she could use them in her projects. And then I'm also sending her some washi tape. Just like a little sample of washi tape, because I know that none of us ever go through like whole rolls of washi tape. So I just have like a little sampler for her that I put onto like this like blank card. It's like a plastic card, like a credit card or anything like that, but it'll be easy for her to take off, so it's not attached to paper. So because then you lose some washi that way. I'm gifting her these gemmies. They're like little bigger, they're just like bigger blue ones, like turquoisey and blue colors, like really pretty. And then these gemmies as well from My Mind's Eye in a set of blue. So I have that for her, and that's what I'm sending off to her in our Bits and Bobs swap. So I hope she loves everything I'm sending to her. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, I will have everybody's links down below, so make sure to check them out, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.